Welcome to this episode of Y'all of the Day. My name is Kojo Sheldon, aka Lil Duku, aka Lil Durag, aka Quit Tripping, Y'all Tripping, my Boston Analytics. What I say now on this episode of Y'all of the Day, I Agradaa and what? Oh God, I Agradaa. I should say we are singing. Reverend Obofo we make happy, and then you more to one say I said Papa be a say oh yeah. Oh yeah, I said, Papa, I say yes, you know. Oh yeah, and I'm me too. Reverend Obofo. So now the matter in short and long will be saying that Agradaa has been arrested by the security operatives in this country, and her two television stations. Has been shut down. Thunder TV, there's some other TV stations has been shut down for they say that they operate, they don't get licenses and a whole lot of issues. Now, the Minister for Communication on her Facebook, why do I keep mixing her and him? Man. Eslo Usu, who is the Minister for Communication? This is what she posted on her Facebook page. And I read, at about 2 hours, blah, blah, blah. A joint team of police and national security intelligence operatives in collaboration with the National Communications Authority stormed the premises of two satellite television stations, namely Thunder TV and Ice TV, who were illegally transmitting without licenses at Kaswa in the central region. The team arrested the offenders among which included the owner of the Thunder TV stations, Asiedua, popularly known as Nana Agradaa, and seized two equipment, each used in the illegal transmission from both premises. Nana Agradaa advertises her sikagari on her TV station, which she claims is a personal god that multiplies money with some ritual she makes. She has hence admitted to its illegality and is currently in custody, assisting with further investigation. When they want coca, it's a confusion call. When they want coca, it's a confusion call. Abuse again. So Nana Agradaa is in the conundrum of the level. She has been arrested and her equipment has been seized. And people, I went on my Twitter and tweeted and said, "Are we Agradaa to get kiddies?" So are we going to start a hashtag free Agradaa? What do you say? But you see, now that the laws are working, it is not only fetish priests and priestesses that have inundated our screens with unwarranted content. Men of God in court. And if they are going to do it, they should, everybody. Nobody is above the law. We have men of God doing the same thing. And just that they have covered it with the Bible. Yes. The Bible. Yes. We have men of God, spiritual, all of them. Arrest all of them. There are a lot of. Sometimes I know they understand, say, what are the requisition of the alacrities to get a TV license in this country? Because the number of TV stations in the country is too much. Egg TV, Banku TV, Abenkwan TV, everybody set up TV station and their content, left, right, center. If you are going to do it, if you are clamping down on these people, like they should start doing it in 10 because it is about to go them. Now the laws are working. They should also move to big Aquas for aiding and abetting. Big Aquas. There's this guy who has been presenting content on her TV channel. Yes, for aiding and abetting. All of them. All of them. They say what? Nana Agradaa has admitted, say she was transmitting content or producing content, shooting content or transmitting it. Rough on the crowd, man. The gods must be crazy, man. So yes, I'm expecting Ghanaians to come out with the hashtag. Oh, Agradaa or family. Let us go and bail him. Why do I keep saying him? Hey, go and bail her. But you see, as the law started work, and one way, arrest all of them. Now next time, it is about time, bro. Me say fetish priests, fetish priestesses, and me say men of God in court are doing this. This is not attack on the church or an attack of men of God. You people know there are churches. Tinu boni person, no mo teach no mo speak go manum, no mo televising the life. All of them, arrest them. Arrest all of them. With the Yankopon ba judgment day na make you go. Yanko hell, yabeko. Arrest all of them. Oh no, the law is working now. The law is working now, and I'm happy. So yes, that is what is happening to. That is what has happened to Nana Agradaa and the Riasimunina, Uko Riasimunina. I just want to, or both should just come on Facebook Live. If for not talk, if for just come stand there like this, then make it the licking lips. Make a buff one no talk. I just want make it just come online, make you no talk. The whole world will make happy. Anyway, but I hope me, I don't want her to go inside. I'm not a fan of what she has been doing and all those things, but at the end of the day, I hope she will go through the right process and the procedures. As for the content she has been showing on the TV station there, I'm sure there are rules and regulations and things. They make you come televise them on TV, what they say. So I hope she will come out of this and all those things. But I'm waiting for Ghanaians. Hashtag warriors, fake social justice warriors. Come and start a hashtag because, hey, and I agree that most of the girls are going to fight for her. Come and fight. Start the hashtag because she also has kids and family. Let us, the hypocrisy, let us establish it in the conundrum levels of him, ha. Now let's move on to the next one. Akuapem Poloo has been granted bail. Yes. So a news item on My Joy Online. And Accra Circuit High Court has granted convicted actress Akuapem Poloo 80,000 Ghana cedis bail on Wednesday. I mean, the 80,000 she's not going to pay. This is how bail works. The money, be say somebody go can't stand in say, oh Ghanaian, I'll come and pay this amount of money. So it is not money that you pay to the system. So the 80,000 is not like physical cash or bill. No, you come with the word surety or whatever it is into Ghanaian. Sasika 80,000. No one do any more say, oh, 80,000 Ghana cedis no me. So and then you pay that money. But when you need that money, you don't pay it to anybody. We have to understand that and establish that one. It's more umpire say Akuapem Poloo you 80,000 or didn't take I just want turn and sassy. Anyway, and across the court granted her bail with two sureties, I don't understand, to be justified. That'd be what I was saying. As part of a bail condition, the social media sensation board has to report to the case investigator every 2 weeks. She's also supposed to deposit her passport with the registrar of the court. The court presided over by Justice Ruby Ayete said she will only travel with the express permission of the court. The court further said the applicant has satisfied her 4 grounds of bail pending appeal. The Accra Circuit Court last week handed the actress a 90 days jail sentence for posting naked pictures of herself and her son on social media. The sentence divided the country and blah, blah, blah. But I don't understand though. If she has been sentenced to prisoner, the bill, I don't understand. More, I get lawyers for, I'm sure that there are lawyers, some of my audience are lawyers. I want to know. Somebody with them jail, how, I don't understand. Like, so let's say not me. I can't use myself as an example. Let's say my cameraman, he has been put in jail. Where, yes, it has been, finite, the decision is final. Say, okay, you are going to jail. You can appeal and all those things, but they have announced the jail term and all those things, and you are going in for, let's say, 6 months and things. So the person is supposed to be in jail. How are you going to bail someone who has been sentenced? I don't understand. I'm not saying, if we're not happy, but I don't understand. So if you understand that part of the law, come and explain it to me. You understand? Because I don't understand. I don't get it. So yes, just come and let me know the meaning of that particular part of the alacrities of the law. But at the end of the day, Akuapem Poloo has been granted bail 80,000 Ghana cedis with Ghanaian. Well, at the end of the day, I don't know the strengths her lawyers pulled and the argument they argued or how they appealed, but it appears that it favored her and all those things. So yes, your woman is out and she's going to be out and whatever. So yeah, it has happened. I don't work in the judicial system. So if they say she has been granted bail, she has. If you don't understand, you can go and chase her in the courtroom. Anyway, so yes, this one is like substitution. Akuapem Poloo out, Agradaa in. Don't be small. This weekend, this Saturday on MX Social, on MX24. Don't be small, Jimmy, I'll go Jimmy on L. But anyway, thanks for watching this episode of Yawa of the Day. My name is Kudu Shawty. This episode of Yawa of the Day is brought to you by Dash. Menkasa, I'm app there. Corner download. Warrior say Dash. It's not that chic. Dash.